guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my duck eggs here in my incubator. I built this incubator by my own. This is manual incubator. It's not fully automatic. We need to use our hands to turn the eggs. I put 15 duck eggs here and 10 eggs, signaling that they are cracking. Look, they're cracking. Look, one egg over there. You can see that that's the duck toes. This is the duck food over there, and 10 eggs. They're cracking, and the other 5, I don't know what happens to this egg. There's no sign of cracking here. They're still intact. I don't know why. Look, they are cracking. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. And this duck feather. It is. Finally, it hatches. It's only one egg. Just the baby duck, the duckling. Yeah. Look at that. Look how cute. Yes. New baby born. Some part of his body is still inside the egg. Look. Look at that. Yeah, he's struggling for the new life. Look. Him, it must be so tired. Cracking the egg is one of the hardest part. The eggshell is so hard to be cracked. Okay guys, I'm gonna help this little buddy out. I guess the thing has been struggling and I don't have a heart to let him stuck. Now I'm trying to release him from finally. I just save your life, you know. Welcome to the new world, duckling. Look at that. His feather's still wet. Calling for your mom. bit confused. Where am I? Where is this place? This is Incubator, baby. Okay, we're still waiting for the other. This baby duckling still struggling for getting out of this shell. Look, getting out of the shell. Okay, welcome aboard, duckling. Soon after your feather dry, I'll put you in another incubator, in a brooding cage, okay? Okay, now we try to move this baby duckling to the new brooding cage. Okay. There it is. Ouch. We have 4 baby ducklings, new baby duckling, and the other 4 is in my rolling cage. I'm gonna put this the 4 baby ducklings to my rolling cage. Okay, the reason why I put some fabrics here, last time I put paper for the floor, but the duck could not stand up, so now I'll try to put this piece of fabrics, so I hope this duck can stand up. And in addition, this fabric can also keep this duck warm. There they are, guys, the baby ducklings I just had from the incubator. There are 10 baby ducklings here. Okay, I'm gonna put them in a new home. Okay, see you next time. See you next